The custom fit car cover that we're talking about here today is going to be one of your most affordable ways to get that premium protection along with a custom fit for your 2005 to 2014 Mustang at home. Now this extremely popular option will protect your S197 from the elements if parked outside, or add another layer of protection from dust and dings for all you garage cars out there, and can be had for the low $100 price point. So again, this is going to be a great option for those owners out there who don't want to go with some generic one-size-fits-most cover that you might find at your local parts store, but instead would rather prefer something custom tailored to fit your S197 like a glove, and don't want to drop a few $100 on one of those bigger brand name options. Now, despite that lower price point, this option that we are featuring here today is going to provide an extremely thick multi-layer fabric that will certainly help protect against minor dings when covered both inside and out. Now that fabric is also porous, which is going to allow any moisture to escape or evaporate once the cover is on the car and gets a little bit wet, whether it be from rain or whatever. And that's something that I like to point out, because you don't want a cover to trap moisture because that can cause a host of other issues such as corrosion if stored for a long period of time. But aside from that thick multi-layer porous fabric, guys, this is a custom fit option, so expect a fantastic fit once the cover has been installed, thanks largely in part to the specially designed mirror pockets along with the pocket for your antenna. Now the great fit is something many of our customers have mentioned in the customer review section. Read up on those if you haven't done so already, and while you're there, check out some of the customer submitted images. Last but not least, guys, if you do plan on using this cover primarily outside, never a bad idea to wash it every so often using like Simple Green or something similar. You don't want to use any harsh detergents, and you ultimately want to let the cover air dry as opposed to throwing it into a commercial dryer, which can ultimately damage the cover. But now we want to shift gears and talk about the install, and as you might imagine, this one's going to be pretty much as easy as it gets. 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter is what you can expect, maybe a few minutes of your time, if that, to complete from start to finish. But to give you a better idea of just how things will go on your S197 at home, here's an AM customer to walk you through it.
Okay, so right now we got the cover all unfolded and out of its case. So I'm gonna take it over to the car, and one thing to note on here is that in here there's a tag that shows which part is for the front. So right here you can see it says front. So we're gonna keep that on the front side of the car when we go and put this on. Alright, so we still got our tag up in front. I'm gonna pull the bungee part of it down under the bottom to kind of keep that in place when I take it to the back. And then I'm gonna hook this back on the spoiler just to kind of keep that in place so I can adjust the front. And then we have these side mirror pockets. This being the passenger side, so the side mirror is right here, not fully in there, but that's just because of the way it's adjusted. So we're gonna slide that side mirror right into the pocket just like that. Pull this side down a little bit, make sure it's all straight and nice. And we got the plastic hole here for the security line that we're gonna install after we get this fully in. So I'll adjust the back here, and we got the antenna pocket here that we're gonna put over the antenna. And then I have the shortened antenna, which this will still fit the larger antenna, but being that I have the shorter one, it doesn't have to be fully set. And then we'll pull this down, and it actually comes down over the exhaust as well. We'll pull this side down. Make sure that's nice and snug. So on the driver's side, we have the matching pocket for the side mirror. Get that in there. And straighten up the side a little bit more. So that you can keep that protected. All right. So So we'll give you a tour around the car here with it fully on. And then I will install the security line. All right, now for the security line we have here. So we have an eyelet, and this eyelet is going to serve as the kind of the lock, not really a locking mechanism, but it doesn't actually go through the plastic hole. So this is going to be the one side that it doesn't come through, and then we're going to feed this side through the hole to the other side, and eventually put the lock around this loop so that it cannot go back through that plastic hole. So we'll feed it through the top part, and on the bottom there's a little lip of cloth to kind of cover that hole in the back, and that's just so that debris doesn't go through there. So we'll pop that through here and then feed it all the way through to the eyelet so that that doesn't go through, and then we'll try to toss this under the car so we can get it to the other side. If I can get it untangled enough. And there we go. Then we got the cord again, and then we'll feed it up through and in through the back of the hole. And then right there, we'll unlock the lock here. And this isn't like a lock, the only lock you can use. You can of course use your own locks if you want. This was just the one that was provided. And now that's locked, and it will not go back through that hole because of the lock, which will give you the full security for the cover so no one steals it. So that concludes the installation video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it was informative. Thank you.
So wrapping things up, guys, if you are looking for one of the most affordable custom fit options on the site for your 05 to 14 Mustang at home, be sure to check out this option in gray right here at AmericanMuscle.com.